The false church is gone. The political beast stands alone, absolute, and with all religious opposition eliminated, his ambition reaches its final logical conclusion: total global conquest. His target is not a continent, it is a silver of land by the Mediterranean, the land promised to a people he hates more than any other. The nations are not just gathering, they are being driven, marshaled by an ancient hatred to fulfill a 2,500-year-old prophecy. The march to Armageddon has begun. This is Bible Prophecy Unveiled, episode 52, The Gathering Storm and the Valley of Decision. We are connecting the prophets to today's headlines. The ultimate convergence is foretold by prophet Zechariah in Zechariah chapter 12 from verse 2 to 3. Behold, I will make Jerusalem a cup of drunkenness to all the surrounding peoples when they lay siege against Judah and Jerusalem. And it will happen in that day that I will make Jerusalem a very heavy stone for all peoples. All who would heave it away will surely be cut in pieces, though all nations of the earth are gathered against it. Jerusalem is the immovable object. The world is the unstoppable force. The collision is inevitable. In Joel chapter 3 from verse 9 to 10, the prophet Joel details the final master. Proclaim this among the nations. Prepare for war. Wake up the mighty men. Let all the men of war draw near. Let them come up. Beat your plowshares into swords and your pruning hooks into spears. This is the reverse of the peace of Messiah's kingdom. It is the whole world arming for one final genocidal push. The players are identified in Ezekiel chapter 38. The instigator is Gog of the land of Magog, understood as Russia. Her allies, Persia, Ethiopia, and Libya, modern Iran, North Africa, they come from the far north. They devise an evil plan to attack a land of unwalled villages, to take plunder. This is Russia's coalition. From the south, the king of the south, a coalition of Arab nations pushes. From the east, the kings from the rising sun cross the miraculously dried up Euphrates River, Revelation 16:12. All of them, Jesus said, will be gathered against Jerusalem in Luke 21:20. The location of the final battle is named. He gathered them together to a place called in Hebrew Armageddon. Revelation 16:16. Armageddon, the hill of Megiddo, overlooks Jezreel Valley, the ancient crossroads of armies, the site of more historical battles than any other place on earth. It is the perfectly logical prophesied stage.